YOLO everybody, wanted to give you guys a quick update to what's going on here as we are 3 weeks into the bamboo storyline, epic tale of the Haze Demon show. New things and whatnot. So this thing's a little messed up here, but basically supposedly solar powered, able to hit some of that there ultrasonic sounds in case anything's getting anywhere near it right here, you know what I'm saying? And then, we already talked about this, I think the last time was the repellent to keep any squirrels or anything from wanting to get into it. Just put my rock star there, we're just gonna leave that there. So this is looking pretty, it's starting to get like a good tan on this one, I want to say. I put my hand up against it and I think it makes it to where it's better. There you go. See how it focuses in on it better by using my hand. Wow, knowledge is power. So you can see it like tanning a little bit, getting a darker kind of color to it. These leaves look like they're doing pretty good. Also, there's a lot of, like the smaller, more, let's go with these ones right here. More like brand new pieces that are purple coming off of it there. And it's growing, it's doing a lot of new growth, and these leaves are looking great. There's no shoots, no new shoots coming out of the ground though, if I can get it to focus here. You don't see nothing out of the ground. It's just everything that's already out is growing. But over here on this side, this plant, there's two different ones of them. This one is having a harder time. Maybe I might have put too much fertilizer too close to it. It still has purple, so it's still growing new ones, but it's having a lot of the older foliage withering away. But that's okay because it's supposed to have that supposedly anyway. Like even the good one has one big bad leaf and maybe another one down there, right? But this one is like the entire plant is looking a little dry. I mean, it doesn't feel dry, but it just looks like it withered a little bit. But it has a lot of growth as well. And I feel like maybe if I were to if I could get it to focus, I guess it doesn't matter as much. Maybe if I could use some sticks and some string and make the plant stand up instead of laying over might help out. I don't know, probably not really, but just something to make it look better. But on the other hand, this one, after 3 weeks, has a brand new shoot coming out. See that purple right there? See if we can get it in the focus. That bad boy right there is coming up in 1 week. 1 week, it went from barely coming out of the ground to already half the size of its older brothers or whatever. You want to call them older. Because it could be one from the season before or whatever, and then the one's needs to the next season. And so that one should be probably similar to the same size, really. But the ones that start coming up later are going to be bigger, all that stuff. But this one's definitely having a harder time versus the one over there that's doing really good. So definitely was not a bad idea for me to get 2 of them, just because you know how nature is. So we got one doing really good and one doing okay. And that's cool with me. It looks like it's working, because the one thing we can't see is I bought a selfie stick but I forgot to bring it here, okay? So my bad. But I'm trying to record in landscape now. I wish we could see the growth of the roots, because that's the most important thing. The roots in the ground. And I still have a lot to do, of course. I haven't been able to get to it because it's been raining and everything, and I'm still working on the hole up there, which hopefully that'll be done sooner more than later. But alrighty, we're out of here for this part. Maybe there'll be more added to this for sure, I'm sure. What's up, everybody, and welcome to the Haze Demon Grow Show, and we are live. We're not live, and in green all over the place, man. Oh my goodness. What is up, everybody? We got the selfie tripod capabilities now. Finally, it can go even further than that. I think we can go above and beyond just for the For the sake of trolling, why not, everybody? Why not? You know I like to have a little fun with the gadgets here. Oh, we skipped one. Oh my goodness, there's no way. There's no way. Oh, it is. It goes above and beyond. Oh my goodness. Look at that bad boy. All the way out here we are in the midst of the crazy shenanigans that has been working on this here hole. The hole, you know what I'm saying? This hole has been a pain in the butt. It's the butthole, that's what it is. Oh, I see this is turned just a little bit, maybe. I don't know, maybe it's just where it's so far away here. But anyway, let's take a look, a gander here. As now there's finally not any water down here since I've been actually filling the hole with more dirt. So it's not as deep as it was before, like last time. Let's go ahead and bring this bad boy in. Enhance! I know, we like to talk about dirt around here. Joe Dirte would be proud. Joe Dirte would be proud. Let's bring that one all the way in here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's not too bad right here. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, not even like a foot down, and then the water will start to come up. And you already should know. I mean, you don't know. What do you know? No, I'm just kidding. You guys know everything. I don't know anything, right? So the dirt's really soft here anyway. So the whole idea, the plan, so I can see what I'm pointing at here. This right there. This wall right here will go down to... It will go down in history because that is where the pipe is for sure. As I was looking down yesterday and it was curved around, right? So this is what's going to happen. That's what's happening today. No matter what, that's the update. I just figured I'd let you guys know and we'll see here. And also I might do a quick lapse. Now that I got the tripod, y'all can see me do a little bit of work, but in speed. You know what I'm saying? So I'll talk to you guys later. All right, got my hair up. I've actually forgot to put my hair up like every single time I've been out here. Of course, I'm not going to be talking this whole time here, so that's why it's about to go in fast forward in
3, 2, 1.